Heyo, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon so you don't miss any of my videos. Alright, so in this video I'm going to be unboxing my new Jordan 1 High Retro Electro Orange. It's inside this box, obviously. I'm not going to show you this side over here because it just has my address on it, so I'm not going to show you that. So let me just quickly get my knife. Alright, I got it right here. So let us open this so I can show you guys what it looks like. It's gonna be hard to show this on camera. I think I opened it kind of upside down, but that's okay, no problem. Here it is, guys, here it is. And inside we got some kind of square shaped bubble wrap. That's kind of cool. I mean, I still prefer the original bubble wrap, but you know, that's cool too, whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna put these aside. So this is what you've all been waiting for, and you guys are gonna see it before me. Oh, it's not even, okay, so it's got like a StockX tag thing, because I got it from StockX, and it's got this little card over here. And some other information stuff, and it has my address on it, so I'm not going to show you. So, alright, here it is. Here it is. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Yo. Check it out. Let me take it out of the box real quick. Man, dude. Look at this. Look at that. Let me zoom in. Alright. Man, it's got that new sneaker smell. It's really strong. So right here we got the Air Jordan wing logo. And you got that nice swoosh right there. And to the back, just the usual. Got another swoosh right here. Stitching looks good. Nothing to complain about, really, to be honest. And the bottom is just this nice orange. The famous Jordan 1 sole right here. Pretty much all Air Jordan 1 shoes have the same sole, so that's what it looks like. And then the other shoe, it's pretty much the same thing, but this one has the StockX tag right over here, and it's got some laces, so it comes with orange laces and white laces, so that's pretty cool. Alright, so these actually came out on July 17th, 2021, and right now at the time of recording this video, it is currently July 20th, so these just came out a couple of days ago actually, so these are pretty new. Alright, so I just noticed something over here, right there. There seems to be what seems to be a glue stain, I think. I'm not sure if that is a glue stain, but that's what it looks like. So that's a little bit of a turn off. But for me personally, I'm not too picky with these like small flaws or anything like that. But if you are one of those people who are very picky and you pay attention to like every detail, this might be a turn off for you guys. You know, I'm just saying, you know, even these authentic pairs, you know, not everything's gonna be perfect. You know, there are gonna be some flaws here and there. So yeah, that's one of the things that I noticed about this. Alright, so we have the standard leather quality for these. The leather over here on this part is a lot different from the one they use over here on this part. And also here, they look like they're three different types of leathers. And the same for the toe box. It also looks like they used a different leather, and I think the toe box is the softest kind of leather compared to the other parts. I'm not sure how well you can see this on camera. Let me try to zoom it in a little. And if you can see it, it like kind of wrinkles up if you squish it. Alright, so by default it does come with black laces on both shoes. So yeah, but it's not it's not all the way through, you know, you still got to put it through the other holes as well. But it does come with black laces, and you know, if you ever want to change it up, like I said in the video earlier, it does come with an orange lace and a white lace. But for me personally, I like to keep things simple, so I'm probably just gonna stick with the black laces themselves, you know, because you know they look the most simple in my opinion. So I'm probably just gonna stick with that. But hey, you know, not everybody's the same. You know, maybe someday you want to wear this, sometimes you want to wear this. You know, that's completely up to you. You know, I'm not saying I wouldn't do that. You know, maybe I would, but for the most part, I just like to keep things simple. So I'm probably just gonna keep the black laces on them. All right, so inside the shoe we got the Nike Air logo with some stitching pattern of some sort. I don't really know what they're trying to do there, but I think they tried to make it look like it's stitched on, but it's not actually stitched on. You know, it's just flat, it's just printed on. Right here we got size 9.5 because that is the size that I got right there. And right here we got the Air Nike logo, looking very nice. Alright, so on this part of the shoe we got the nice metallic shiny look. Looks like a metallic orange, you know. Actually you could kind of see the reflection of my ring light right there, that donut shaped looking thing. So that's how shiny it is. I kind of just don't like the fact that, you know, it looks like it wrinkles up pretty easily. I'm really not a fan of that at all, but other than that I think it looks pretty good for how it is. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this video. Let me know, is this a cop or a drop for you guys? Personally, I really like them. I might sell them, I might keep them, I don't know yet, but I really like them. But I want to know what you guys think. Is this a cop or a drop for you guys? Let me know in the comments below. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. If you want to keep up with me on my socials, I'll put them on the screen and I will link them in the description below. So guys, thank you again for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Later.